In this video, I'll show you how conversation status works in DMLY and how to use open and closed states to manage your workflow effectively. Every conversation inside the unified inbox has a status. This helps your team track progress, stay organized, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. There are two main conversation states: 1, open, and 2, closed. Open conversations. An open conversation means the chat is currently active and being handled. What happens when a conversation is open? When a conversation is open, it appears in the open folder in your inbox. It can be assigned to a team member or remain unassigned, and agents can respond normally. This status indicates that the conversation is still ongoing. You should keep a conversation open when the issue is not yet resolved, when you're waiting for a customer's reply, or when follow-up is expected soon. Closed conversations. A closed conversation means the issue has been resolved or no further action is needed. What happens when a conversation is closed? Once closed, the conversation moves to the closed folder and is marked as completed. No immediate action is expected, but the conversation can always be reopened if necessary. You should close a conversation when the customer's issue is resolved, when they confirm completion, or when there is no response after follow-up. Important: AI bot behavior. By default, the AI bot only responds when the conversation is in the closed state. This allows automation to re-engage customers after human intervention. This behavior can be modified when configuring your bot settings. Reopening a closed conversation. If a customer replies after a conversation has been closed, the conversation can be reopened automatically or manually. Click the Open button at the top of the chat to resume handling. Reopening moves the chat back to the open folder. Workflow best practices. To maintain a clean and efficient inbox, close conversations immediately after resolution. Avoid leaving resolved chats in open status. Regularly review open conversations for inactivity. Use automation rules to manage follow-ups. Monitor closed conversations for bot re-engagement triggers. Quick comparison. Let's quickly break it down. An open conversation means the chat is active. It requires a manual response from your team, and the bot remains paused. A closed conversation means the issue is completed. No action is required from your team, and by default, the bot becomes active. That's it. You now understand how to manage open and closed conversation statuses in DMLY to keep your workflow organized and efficient. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.